Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how you can bet on Lotto. Betting on lottery, often referred to as playing the lottery, is a popular form of gambling where you select a series of numbers in the hopes that they match the winning numbers drawn in an official lottery game. I'll show you a guide to get started. To bet on the lottery, start by choosing a game like Powerball, Mega Millions, or Euro Millions, depending on your location. Buy a ticket from an authorized retailer or online where available, and select your numbers or use a quick pick option for random members. Some lotteries offer features like Power Play to boost winnings. Check the draw schedule and purchase your ticket before the cutoff time. After the draw, match your numbers with the winning ones, which can be checked on official websites or apps. If you win, claim your prize according to the rules, noting the claim period for larger jackpots. For more chances, consider joining a lottery pool, and always play responsible by setting a budget. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.